Hi guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be sharing another 8 different ways of styling the same white t-shirt into different outfits. And if you still have not watched part 1 of this video, please do watch, and I'm sure out of these 16 outfits, you will definitely get some idea of styling your basic staple. So let's begin with the video.
So here I'm wearing a gorgeous navy blue high-waisted skater skirt that is stunning, elegant and provides a great silhouette. Skater skirts reminds me of high school, but these skirts have become more than just that. Petite, big, small, tall or any other body type, these look good on everyone. Paired with my basic white t-shirt and bold metallic pumps. Kept the jewelry minimal with a low bun, and of course my sling bag and sunglasses to take it all a notch higher.
Skirts are a basic essential for those summer days when I want to wear a skirt neither short nor long. The midi size is the perfect option for those who want to show their legs a little without feeling too exposed, and it's still super fresh, comfortable and fashionable at the same time. Consider your Sunday brunch look found with this chicer summer color scheme of yellow and white. The most viral skirt of summer styled perfectly with neutral accessories, nude pumps and a perfect black tote bag. Looking for a casual but polished ensemble to wear? Try a denim skirt paired with a white tee and layering a tank top over the tee to look trendy and stylish. Denim skirts are forever favorite. Not only are they super versatile and easy to match with anything, but they'll also keep you looking and feeling cool, even on the hottest days of summer. Upscale the look by wearing strappy heels and of course, sunnies. Do you have a cute jumpsuit with a neckline that is little too deep? Or maybe a slip dress you'd love to wear but you feel like it's just little too revealing? Pair a classic fitted white tee underneath your dress to add polish, make it little more modest, or take an outfit from beach to dinner. Almost any sleeveless dress looks great as a jumper over the top of a classic tee. The trick is to find a tee fitted enough to lie flat under the dress and avoid extra bulk or bunching. This is one of my favorite and the most easiest look that I like to carry with minimal jewelry, strappy heels, and I'm good to go. Looking for the most versatile women clothing? Well, the long ethnic skirts are the safest bet as they could be worn both as traditional outfit and contemporary attire. Here I've paired my white ethnic skirt with bright pink lining at the bottoms with my white v-neck t-shirt, and of course accessorizing with the heaviest of jhumkas that I could find and Rajasthani juttis to complete my overall look. This is one of the most ethnic yet contemporary yet Indo-Western, what else I could say to this attire. This attire speaks itself, and of course the most effortless look you can style with your traditional lehenga or skirt with the most basic white t-shirt. Okay, so for this look I won't be speaking anything about this outfit because it does the work itself. Please enjoy the look. Dungarees are having a moment, and dungarees overalls are back in full force. Denim dungarees are a springtime must have. They are cool, chic, and not much to put effort for any kind of outfit. It's really a must to have, and also wearing a classic blue and white never goes wrong. Using a fashionable pair of heels to dress up the classic white t-shirt. Of course, with my nude palms, the whole attire looks amazingly crazy. So the last and the final look, athleisure. White tee and black joggers. Athleisure match and nothing else is required. Paired with white sneakers and we are good to go. Thank you so much guys for watching my channel. If you did like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.